Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can take a screenshot of a snap on Snapchat without them knowing. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. Now first you need to get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store depending on what device you're using and simply search for Snapchat. Once you find it, make sure you have the app updated to the latest version to face no problems during this process. After that, you can finally quit the store. Now, open Snapchat, make sure you are logged into your account, and then open your chats and conversations from here. Here, all of your conversations are displayed. Here, locate the chat whom you want to take a screenshot, and I'll show you how you can take a screenshot of a snap and a conversation with the same method. So I'm going to try with this conversation right here. Before taking the screenshot and opening the snap, just turn on the airplane mode before doing anything basically. So after turning it on, you can finally open the snap. Now, let me take a screenshot of this. So first take a screenshot of this snap, and you can take a screenshot of the whole conversation as well. After taking the screenshot, you need to immediately quit the Snapchat, and before turning off the airplane mode, you need to uninstall the Snapchat application completely and then installing it again. So you need to uninstall it from your settings. Or you can do that by opening your store and tapping on uninstall. Then after uninstalling it, you can turn off your airplane mode just like that and then install Snapchat again and log in. The user will never be notified or will never know that you have actually took a screenshot of the conversation or the snap. So that's basically how you can take a screenshot of a snap on Snapchat without them knowing. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.